Well, I wouldn't say it's a tropical storm, but it's kind of strange. I don't know, I think it's the 24th, I think, of January. I'm not sure. But it's, you know, it's late January and it's 6 degrees with rain, which is really quite strange for Canada. And well, the gusts are pretty rough. They say somewhere around 90. Well, look at the clouds. I don't know if you can see those clouds going, but they're moving. They're really moving. They say gusts around 90 kilometers an hour, which is only probably about 55 miles an hour, which is nothing compared to what California got and all that. It's about half of what they got. So, but I've noticed that it's broken some of my trees. You can see some trees broke. That one there in the distance, that was hit by lightning. That's why it's all flopped over. It's been like that for a long time. But you can hear the water just pouring off the garage there. It's so mild, and then the rain, well, I don't know if you can see the rain. I'm just out here in the shirts, not cold at all. But I knocked all the snow off of the portable garages, and it's, as you can see, it's holding them down real well. They're not going to go anywhere. So on both sides. So it's well, they're anchored pretty good anyway, but obviously with the snow all around them, it's definitely not going to move now. You can hear it's not really blowing as bad right now. About a couple minutes before I started videotaping, it was howling pretty darn good. I don't know. Doesn't look like it's broke any more branches off the trees. But getting those other branches off those lines was probably a good idea. It's still on an angle. Of course, it's pulled it in, it's not going to go back. I might go up to that one there and just hook onto it, just in case. Just kind of tie it back a little ways there and go up to that. It should be fine now, but I can see it's hanging pretty good there now. But anyway, this slide shows the weather that's going on right here in the Maritimes in Canada. Not used to getting it this warm, and it's strange because in the middle of the States it was snowing, so not really quite sure why it warmed up so much to rain here, but it's just the way the weather system came in. Cheers.